Good morning once again. Good morning to everyone.
Good
Morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, a very good morning
Good
to all of
morning,
you.
ma'am. Yeah. Afternoon.
As you all know, may Vedi switch off your mic, please. As you all know that we have all completed our chapter number 12, which is about the how heavy, how light means related with the weight, the measurement of weights. And today we have a CET of that chapter. Please read each and don't ask for the link in the chat box. I will post the link. No good morning in the chat box now. So please, I request everyone read question carefully. Try to understand it, not to be in. Don't do it in hurry. Try to understand it what they are asking, and please follow the full method which you have. Vivan Balchandani, Vansh Balchandani, please leave my class if you are asking for the link. You
Ma'am,
children
I want
don't
to
have
say
patience.
something.
I have not posted link till now.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Vedi, tell me.
Uh, which chapter we have to do?
Vedi, I have posted everything in the classroom. Read classroom. What is written there? Which chapter you have to prepare for today's CT? Okay, I'm going to post the link. Please, I request everyone to read the question carefully and try to understand it and then give the answer. I'm expecting no one will give the answer in hurry just for the sake of completing the Google form. Link is there in the chat box. Please open. I am going to post this link in the classroom as well. Those who in case log out from the classroom can log out from the class can go and open the link from the classroom also. And I'm expecting from everyone, please solve it in your notebook and then give the answer. Please, I request everyone. Don't give the answer just for sake of completing the Google form.
Ma'am, first we write answer in the Google form. Then we
Yes,
write.
children, you are not required to send me the notebook work, but for your solution, for your finding the answer, you use the notebook for finding the answer.
Ma'am, we should
Yes,
write
Krishna.
the words in capital only.
No, any. How many tests you have given till now? You can give in any letter. Google form will accept everything. You write the answer in your own way, the way you write in the notebook.
Ma'am, what
Ma'am,
we
have you sent it in the chat box?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, please.
Wait, are you?
Use rough.
Arya is asking something. Yes, Arya.
Then can you write in the notebook and send hand you?
No notebook. Yeah, if you are able to facing a difficulty to open the Google form, then send the notebook work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
But what if we read the question carefully and just do it by mind?
That is okay.
Okay, the question is.
Ma'am, you can use rough book.
You don't have your maths notebook with you? Do calculation in that maths notebook. No need for the rough notebook. Can you all able to see my screen? The Google form is there on the screen. Any one child can answer me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Convert the 4 kg 10 grams into grams. Next is convert 47,990 grams into kilograms. Write the suitable unit, kilograms or gram, for measuring the weight of your maths book. Add these numbers. There are 3 group of numbers are given. Don't get confused. First group.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
All the rough work we do that we have to send you.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Add, these are 3 groups. Don't get confused. First group, second group, third group, 3 groups you have to add. Preeti bought 12 kg 300 gram of sugar. She used 11 kg 725 grams. How much sugar is left unused? Subtract 100 kg minus 56 kg 125 grams. This is the subtraction sum. Please see the sign and then do the sum. I am again and again reminding you. Read the question carefully what they are asking. Number G is the total weight of 3 girls is 95 kilograms. If one girl weight is 27 kilogram, 325 gram, and the other girl weight is 32 kilogram, 775 gram, find the weight of the third girl. Next is 300 gram plus what you will plus so that you will get 1 kg. Weight of 10 apple is equals to 2 watermelons. So how many watermelons would weigh the same as 25 apples? Find which is heavier, 100 gram is heavier or 10 kg is heavier. Fill in the blanks.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what we have to do in I?
just a minute, I'll let me come on I. हाफ अ किलोग्राम कितने ग्राम्स होते हैं उतना लिखना है डैश के अंदर. Understood now? Half a kilogram. Oh, sorry, I. Wait. Weight of 10 apples is equals to 2 watermelons. के बराबर है 10 apples का weight. So how many watermelons will weigh the same as 25 apples? You have to understand, this is the puzzle you have to solve. Next is postal rates for parcel weighing 10 grams or less than 10 grams is rupees 3. Second is for every additional 10 grams is rupees 2. According to the postal rates given above, find the price of parcel weight 28 grams. Write the standard unit of weight. The weight of eraser will be what? This eraser is given here. It will be 10 kg, 100 grams, 10 grams, or 100 kg. This is very easy, but the thing is you have to solve it with the concentration and attention and try to understand what they're asking. Nothing is there different. Everything is there in the question. You try to understand the question. Manrajodia, sit properly and do. Is the Anvi is there right now? Anvi Kothari. Anvi?
मैम चेक करके बता.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm checking. Anvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you please stay after the class. And right now I'm warning you, please read the question properly because I have noted yesterday. So regarding that, I want to talk. But today you please give your CET properly.
Okay.
Try to understand the question carefully and give this. And I want to talk to you after the class. Stay after the class. Children have to submit this Google form before the class gets over. Within this timing, you have to complete this. Addition subtraction में भी आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है. Please don't do it in a hurry. जल्दी में कुछ नहीं करना है. Use your concept, whatever you have learned, and apply it.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Vedi.
In question B, we have to add, na?
In question B,
Yes.
B is related to convert, right? Wait a minute. Convert this grams into kilograms में convert कैसे करते हैं?
Oh.
100 grams मतलब
Please
10.
mute your mic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In E question, we have to write, it is a word problem, so we have to write the solution
Statement.
sentences,
Yes.
statements also, no?
Yes, statement also. Wherever there is a space, just a minute, I will give you the more space in this. Okay, now you can able to write. Please, wherever you can see there are word problems, you please write the statements also. Wherever you see there are word problems, please write the statements also. There is enough space given to you.
Ma'am, where we have to write statement in notebook or in
In the form only. Wherever you see there are word problems, you please write the statements also.
Ma'am, we have to just write the answer or we have to write the sum. Means we have to solve the question with statement in Google form.
With statement, first statement, what you write, second statement, what you write, third statement. You have given many times, Vihan.
No, ma'am, but I am asking that we have to, means how we have done in notebook, we have to write
No,
like.
no, write the final answer in the statement. Ayush Singhania, can you please sit at one place and do? And I'm sure that no one is having the calculator or any other device with them. Please don't keep any devices with you whenever you are doing and solving your mathematics. This is not the grade for keeping the calculator or any other digital devices. Sit with your camera on, please. I can see Fazan is not sitting with the camera on. I can see Anvi Kothari also not sitting with the camera on.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
My camera is on only.
Okay, good. When you are speaking, your camera is on. Excellent. Keep it on only.
No,
Keep it on only, no problem.
Ma'am, I'm in another tab, so I can't on my camera.
Okay, but I'm expecting that you only giving your CET, right?
Yes, I'm giving my CT.
Okay, good.
Now my camera is on.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, thank you. Devyasha, sit with your camera on, please. Dhairya, sit with your camera on, please. Dhyan Chile, sit with your camera on, please. Children, you know that from today, PTM is going to be started. And this point, I'm going to discuss with each and every parent today.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to write in word problems how we get the answer by subtraction, multiply, or
You write the answer, you write the statement, whatever. How much you know, you please write.
I'm at what time? I'm asking that you have to write, but how I get means I get from subtraction, addition,
Yeah,
from
that also you can write.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ara.
ma'am, we can use a rough notebook.
Yes,
Already.
please use till now. It's half the time is over. What you were doing till now?
I was writing only. Now
Okay.
I want to do.
Okay, use it, anything use. But be little fast. Only 10 minutes are there. After this time, I'm not going to expect accept your Google form, please, because I get the Google form with the timings. And when I will send you the response sheet, you will able to see that your form is submitted late and that's why it is not checked.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am the opening problem. So, I will
Still,
rotate. I will
speak.
I will attach it in the. You have sent the link in the classroom, right?
Yes.
I will put it with that.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
I am going to post this link in the assignment, then you attach. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Not
can I
in
go to
this.
washroom?
Yeah,
Take
please
the
go.
form.
Yeah,
ma'am,
please. Yes,
ma'am,
Ayush.
please give me a little time because I've done the form. I think halfway through, and then what happened
Please
was
do fast without this
yes.
talking in
So
this.
the question. I have a doubt in a question.
Yeah, which question you have a doubt?
Ma'am, a question. I don't know the letter, but it's some Preeti bought 12 kg and some sugar.
Ma'am, can you
Yeah,
read question M?
question M. Just a minute.
Yeah, this one.
Wait a minute. Let me read M first. Postal rates are given 10 grams for or less than 10 grams is rupees 3. Vivan, I'm reading for you.
Excuse
For,
me, ma'am.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am. Read.
Ma'am, in the E question, we have to write the statements. So, in that, if we press enter to go down, it is not going down only.
so
So, why should
write in the first line, no problem.
three statements in the first line only,
No
no?
problem. Write in the first line only 3 statements. Yes, M1 is first point is 10 grams or less than 10 grams is rupees 3. For every additional, Prisha, you do one thing, you can refresh your Google form, the space will come. Or if you're not able to refresh it, you can write the statement in the one line only, no problem. For every additional 10 grams is rupees 2. According to the postal rates which are given, find the price of parcel weight 28 grams. 28 grams का आपको rate निकालना है. And
I am
yes,
done the first two method, but the last one I am not understanding.
So it is your choice. You have to understand and try to do it. I'm not explaining here the answer. Yes, Ayush, which question number? E. Ayush,
Yes, ma'am. E.
E. Preeti bought this much sugar. This she has used. How much is unused?
No, ma'am, but there's no enter text. Like we cannot have three space in this.
It's okay.
Just
You have one space, write it in the one line. I will check it.
Ma'am, I know why couldn't we write, because after we open the CT, then you change, no? So we have
That's
to
why.
write
That's why I'm
one
telling you. You can. That's why I'm telling you. You can refresh your Google form. If in case you're not able to refresh it, you can please write in the one line only.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, I have submitted you
What,
the.
ma'am? Swati, Renu, ma'am,
Yes, there.
what you are saying about the line I was
Nothing.
going,
Nothing.
so I didn't have to.
Nothing. You have space. You write in that space. Okay.
Okay.
Please do it fast. Only 6 minutes are left.
Ma'am, I have sent you.
Okay, I'll check how many of them have submitted. Oh, 7 only. Only 7 students have submitted. And we were 52 to around 53 students here in the class. I will read the names at
No,
the
ma'am,
last.
15 minutes are left.
Yeah, 15 minutes. At 10:50, the class will get over. Yes, yes. You have time. Do it fast. Children, you have to submit the Google form when you are in the class only. Please do not leave the class. And those who have completed the CT, they start writing the tables. Start writing tables after 15. After 15.
Ma'am, 16, 17, 18, ma'am.
Yes. As many as you can write till 20. Start writing tables in your notebook. Don't sit like this simply. If your Google form is done, if your CT is done, Rudra Jajaria, I'm talking to you also. Please come back to your place.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm asking that, ma'am, do we have to attach our notebook work?
This is the second or third time you are asking. No. My answer is no only. No, don't attach. Children, one by one, I can see students are leaving. But if they're leaving, I will not accept their Google form, please. I can see initially there were 54. Now it's 50. Only 4 students have already left. Vivan Balchandani, what you have wrote? Can you please speak?
Ma'am, table.
How many till which number?
1 to 19.
Just now in the class?
No, ma'am, tomorrow.
No, right today. Again, after 15. Very good. Jahan Agarwal has left. I'm writing the names, those who are leaving. Devyosha. I'm not going to give them marks. Devyosha. Jahan Agarwal. Nishika Choksi. Pirisha, you want to ask something? You have raised your hand. Nishika, Prisha. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Parnika.
Mhm.
When I was doing my Google form, now my camera was not able to on because it switched off. So that is why. So you can not see me. So now you can see now.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Your Google form is submitted.
Ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Have you done with the proper reading, proper attention, everything? I don't
Yeah,
want
ma'am.
any child do in a hurry.
Yeah, I have done. I have a rough notebook also with me.
Yes. Please start writing tables. Don't sit simply. 10 to 11 minutes are still there. Guess Karna.
Ma'am, please send the link again because my network is not working.
So you will do the form again?
Yes, ma'am. He actually completed his entire worksheet, but when he was submitting it, the internet went off. So the entire worksheet is blank now again.
Okay. So ma'am, the link is
Timer and Farzan for both of them, ma'am.
they can go from the classroom. Link is there in the classroom, ma'am.
Yeah, so they got the link. So we've spared 10 minutes. We are resubmitting the entire worksheet again.
Okay. But they have to stay in the class and submit.
Yes, yes, of course. Complete your worksheet. Come on, quickly.
Please mute your mics. Karnam, are you able to open the link from classroom? Karnav and Fazan, are you able to open the link from the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have submitted. Can you see?
I will see at the last.
Okay.
Let everyone complete. 17 responses are there. Please start writing more, start writing tables. After 15 to 20.
What, ma'am?
Start writing tables in your notebook from 15 to 20.
Okay.
Mohit, please start writing.
Ma'am, we have to write the tables 15 to 20 or 16 to 20.
From 15 also you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Vihan, your form is submitted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I've completed my form. Have you received?
I will not read the names right now, but I have received 20 students' form.
Okay.
Names I will read at the last. Only 8 minutes are left. Children, please do it a little fast.
Ma'am, what do we have to do now?
Start writing tables in your maths notebook from 15 to 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in K1, what we have to do?
Yes?
In K1, I couldn't understand this thing.
Which one? K1.
K1.
Let me read. Fill in the blank. 1 kg equals to 5 multiplied by what? So 1 kg जो है वो किसके बराबर होगा when you multiply with the 5? You multiply with which number? Then you will get equals to the 1 kg.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have written 16 to 18.
Okay. Write 19 and 20 also. Yes, Sai, tell me.
ma'am, have you received my I have submitted?
My dear children, why I am repeating the same thing with each and every child? As I told, I will read the names at the last.
Okay, ma'am.
And those who submitted, they don't sit, please. They have to write the tables in their maths notebook. Yes, Arya.
I have completed, so I can attach it.
No, don't attach here. Once I will put it in the assignment, you attach your work there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You have completed? Okay. You able to open the Google form, but you're not able to submit, right, Arya?
Ma'am, when I submit it, it says that you have written one question.
You?
Means when I submit it,
Mm-hmm.
everything is blank. I will
Okay.
mention.
Children, 5 minutes are left. "25 forms are there.
Ma'am, we have to submit the table.
No, no. That is you are practicing at home.
Okay. उसमें चाचा है।
Children, I'm writing the names, those who are leaving the class before the time. I've already written few names. I'm not going to check their Google form. You know, your attendance also come with the timings. Your attendance also come how many times you leave the class, how many times you again enter the class. So please follow some class discipline. In spite of that, also I can see some students are leaving. Tawassim. Mohit, mute your mic, please. Rudra Master, done. It's good. But start writing tables in your maths notebook from 15 to 20.
Ma'am, I have done to 16 to 20.
Okay. Write 15 table also.
Ma'am, I'm on 19
Don't
table.
speak. Others are doing the CET, please. Thirty-three responses are there. Farzan, you are not at your place. Sit at your place and complete, please.
Yes, ma'am.
You were not at your place before. That's why I was talking to you.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, what we have to
Yes, ma'am.
do in M1?
Which one?
M.
M. Okay. You have to find out the price of the parcel with weight is 28 grams. And the price list is given. You have to follow this price list and find the weight, how much price you have to pay for 28 grams weight. Understood, Dan? Jan Jariwala?
Ma'am,
No one will leave before time.
ma'am, I have written table 15 to 19. So should I write 20 also because
Yes.
it's like
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say something?
Vedi,
What?
what you are saying? Tell me.
In
Ma'am, when we will get our marks?
ma'am,
Once I'll check and I'll sub. Vedi,
टीचर
I'm not able to listen you.
लास्ट सेकंड है ना, वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्वेश्चन टीचर.
Yes, sir. Just a minute. Let me read, ma'am. Write the standard unit.
yes,
What is the standard unit of weight?
yes.
अभी क्लास में भी डिस्कस किया था मैंने. वेदी ने सुना नहीं. Before I started the class, I discussed this question in the class also. कि weight के what is the standard unit of weight? जो आप measurement करते हो, तो सबसे ज्यादा standard unit कौन सी है? किसमें मेजर करते हो आप वेट को?
किलोग्राम.
यस. सो क्यों आंसर बताया?
नहीं समझ में आ रहा था.
Okay, children, those who have submitted, I will read their names and then they can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am.
Wait, let me read the names first. Vivan, you always in hurry in each and every case. Let me read the names. Ashvi, Aryaman Sanghai, Migdad, Nishika, Arav, Devyosha, Tia, Rudra, Jajaria, Vansh, Vivan, Nishika. Just a minute. Let me create the response sheet.
Bye, ma'am. You got mine? Vivan Patel, I have not seen.
I am reading everyone's name. Please pay attention here. Ashvi, Aryaman, Migdad, Sia, Rudra Jajaria, Vansh, Vivan, Balchandani, Nishika, Arav, Devyosha, Rudra, Yug, Jahan, Agarwal, Manrachodia, Parinika, Dhruv, Vihan, Master, Lamha, Samriddhi, Dhairya, Yash, Khevna, Ayansh, Anvi, Dhyan Chillai, Karna, Farzan, Trisha, Jishna, Anya, Rahil, Jahan Jariwala, Mohit, Arna, Vivan Patel, Gunav, Khush, Ekansh. They can please leave the class because their CET has been submitted.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Thank you, children, for today's class. Bye-bye.
Bye.